Hi, welcome to Project Selection and Scope. In this video, I'm going to provide a brief introduction to this class and how it is structured. In this class, we're going to use the textbook Contemporary Strategic Analysis along with the PMGT guide. You will have reading assignments from both of those books. I believe the PMGT guide you should already have because you used it in a previous class. PMGT1030, which was Introduction to the Fundamentals of Project Management. So you should already have that. Each week in this class you will have a discussion question and an assignment. The discussion requires 3 posts. Your first post must be Wednesday by midnight, and then you must have 2 subsequent posts that are due by Sunday at midnight. Each week you'll also have an assignment that is based off of one of the business cases in your book. The business cases are all included in the latter half of your book. You do not have a final exam in this class, but you will have a business case that is due the last week of class. My recommendation is not to wait until the last week of class to start the assignment because it is much larger and more time-consuming than your weekly assignments. You'll also have a quiz the last week of class, which will be on scope management. Each week you'll have 1 or more chapters to read from the book, as well as other readings, videos, and various topics that you will need to read and review. Most of the case studies have several videos that go along with them that are more in-depth, so you'll want to watch those videos as well. It is really important in this class to use critical thinking. It's not a class where you just read the book, memorize some things. You really have to learn the topics and be able to apply them. I will look for critical thinking in your discussion post and your weekly assignments, and you will be graded that way as well. Don't be afraid to think outside of the box and ask questions in this class. That's how you learn. I will try to tie the concepts from your textbook back to the PMGT guide, specifically as it relates to project selection and scope management. Overall, the concepts presented in this class will help prepare you to be a better project manager and a more well-rounded project manager. So that's kind of overview of the class. As far as week 1 goes, you will read chapter 1 of your textbook and chapter 1 of the PMGT. And again, I presume you already have a copy of the PMGT. You have 2 discussion boards this week actually, because you have your introduction discussion board and then you also have your week 1 discussion. Remember to post your first post by Wednesday and then 2 subsequent posts by Sunday. Your assignment this week will be based off of the Starbucks business case, which you can find in the latter part of your textbook. This week I will also present a sample business case and a business case template for you to become familiar with. You don't have any assignments based off of those this week. I'm just providing that information up front in the class to help you become familiar with them because that's what your final assignment will be based off of. Week 1 is all about introducing you to the concepts of strategy and how strategy can help an organization be successful. So welcome to the class, and I hope you enjoy week 1.